Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can add the RoVer bot to your server on Discord to use it together with your community members. So let us get started. So what you want to do is launch Discord, be it in the web app or as an application on your device, log into your account, and after that, simply access the server you'd like to add the RoVer bot to here from the left panel. So let me go with that server for the sake of this tutorial. After that, click on the server name here at the top and select App Directory from that menu here. And here in the App Directory, use the search bar in the top right corner and type in RoVer just like that. Select that search entry below, and after that, click on that Add App button here to add the RoVer bot to your server. After that, Discord will ask you to visit an external website. So once you clicked on that button, you will be redirected to the homepage of RoVer. So what you want to do, guys, is log into your Discord account here by clicking on that button. In the next step, make sure that you authorize the RoVer bot to gain access to your team server on Discord. Also, make sure that you select the correct server on the next page. Click on continue here. After that, go through a list of permissions you would like to grant the RoVer bot with. And in the last step, make sure that you have selected the correct server for this. And that's it. That is going to add the RoVer bot to your Discord server so that you, as well as your team members or community members, may utilize the RoVer bot. And that's all to it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.